Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to free distort text in Photoshop. So let's begin. Already create a new file, then create a new layer, choose the text tool, right click on your mouse, type horizontal or vertical as you wish, then choose text color, click anywhere and type any text distort, then click OK. Click on the move tool, press Ctrl T on your keyboard, hold shift and increase or decrease, resize your text, then again select to this text layer, right click on your mouse, convert to smart object and press Ctrl T, right click on your mouse, distort text or simply go to edit tab, free transform or again right click on your mouse, distort. Okay, and now see this result. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.